be sharing several of my shopping hauls with you. And we have been shopping for some time, but I hadn't been around to actually share what we purchased. This one here is all from Cracker Barrel. This was 2 different shopping trips over there. It wasn't bought all at once. Cracker Barrel does have pretty good food, but it has one of the most beautiful, beautiful gift shops you've ever seen. And you guys all know that I'm trying to get a lot more whimsy in my tablescapes and in my cozy corner, and of course for the garden too. Well, and of course I'm a collector of anything to do with fairies. And I was over there having dinner one night, and I noticed they had this magical secret garden book. Now, I'm not going to open it and share what's inside today. It's going to take too long. But I thought I'd give you a sneak peek what you may be seeing in the future on my channel. More things to do with my fairies. I'm getting back in the fairy swing of everything, bringing more magic into my garden and into my home. Now, another shopping trip that I went on, this one was a total of $43.49. Now, I forgot to mention the book was $20. So, but they were 2 different shopping trips. Now, when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. I don't know if it's that I really like what it says, like a good neighbor, stay over there. But it was super cute. Maybe the gnome didn't want the fairies to be hanging out in his strawberry patch and getting near his mushrooms. I don't know. And of course, the ladybug snuck in. But wasn't it cute? This is all a needlepoint. It's not painted on there. It's actually needlepoint. Oh my gosh. When I saw it, I had to have it. And because, like I said, I'm going to start doing a lot more whimsical things in my home. This is a salt and pepper shaker, and I'm not saying I won't use it as a salt and pepper shaker, but I think it'll be great also to make little whimsical setups in the house along with the table. Now, when I saw these Blackberry card holders, I had to have them. They really weren't that expensive. They were $3.98 a piece. $3.99. So they were $4 each. So it was $8. But we have some special projects coming up this coming year. And one of the things I was wanting to do was get some name tag holders that I did not own of any size. Now, these ones here with the Blackberries are perfect size. These are the ones I'm going to use for my special project. When I saw them, I had to have them. Now, I'm not as happy with these. These are strawberries. They're the same thing. They're name tags, but also you got to keep in mind, sometimes I do more than one thing. And I usually do tablescapes for 2, but I went ahead and bought the strawberries thinking, I don't know if I'm going to find anything similar to this in the future. Go ahead and buy them. You don't want to be mad that you didn't. The strawberries, I think, are like twice as big as they should be. If they were half this size, I would love them. But you can only buy what they have. And these, where I was ecstatically happy to go and get these. These were $1.29 each. And they only had 5, and I bought all 5. If I could have bought a couple more of the white ones, I would have. When I go back next time, I will see if they get any more in, and if they do, if I can find some more white ones or some different colors, I will get them. But can you believe it? They're real wood. Now, they'll go out in the garden, get their photo op, and come back in. They will not be staying out there. But this was my Cracker Barrel find. Oh my gosh, I just loved it. What do you think? What was the favorite thing that you saw on this shopping haul at Cracker Barrel? I think I can't tell you what's my favorite because they're all my favorite. Well, the strawberries are not my favorite. Okay, I will say that. This one, which is my least favorite, the strawberries. Everything else I loved. You're going to see them all summer long. They're going to be in the garden. They're going to be on the tablescape. They're going to be in the cozy corner. They're going to be everywhere because you know I love whimsical things, and everything here is so whimsical and so beautiful. Well, also I went over to Dollar Tree. I bought 11 items at $1.25 each, and that was the total for this bill. And this is all for St. Patrick's Day, and everything else I use in my St. Patrick's Day display will already have owned. So these are only things that I bought new. So we didn't spend a lot of money. I should have added it up and I didn't, but it was 11 items at $1.25. So that was probably under $15. So let me know what you thought. I got a beautiful welcome sign, and I got this cute little hat, and I got some gold coins and some floor-leaf clover and some more gold coins and some different shades of four-leaf quill, I don't know, maybe shamrocks. And I thought it would look pretty. And then I got the white and green because I wanted a little more contrast. I could have bought the same thing in just green, but I thought the white and green look would look better. I got a couple ferns, but I'll be using these all summer long in the cozy corner for other displays. But the flowers will be just for 1 or 2 posts, and then it'll be packed away. So let me know what you thought of what I bought over at Dollar Tree. I thought it was a pretty good shopping trip, and I can't wait to get busy and put a display together for you today. So get ready. We're going to put up a display and share it after this post. So come back this evening and see what we have to share.